Hey everyone, welcome back. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be cleaning the fridge and the freezer. Your food deliveries are coming, so you might as well have a clean space to put them in. Hey everyone, welcome to the Christmas cleaning edition. Grab yourself a drink. Mine is hot water with lemon and ginger. Get yourself ready for the task you're about to tackle. The countdown for Christmas has already begun, so I hope this video gives you all the motivation you've been looking for to do the tasks you've been avoiding. So grab your cleaning products and join me today. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and thank you so much for clicking this video. On this channel, you will find great tips to clean and improve your home in a fast and efficient way. So turn on your favorite music, grab your cleaning products, and let's get on. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. So we're going to be doing a fridge and make sure your fridge is empty, and yeah, so we're just gonna make our way into the drawers and yeah, get ready for Christmas and the fridge freezer. So we're gonna turn that off first and let's get on with it. So I personally like to take everything out and put everything in the sink and just wash it, especially the trays where all your fruit and vegetables normally stay. So I like to tackle that first because sometimes I find it's the most dirtiest. And then I like to take out the trays. You can take them out and wash them, but sometimes I find that if you've done it on a weekly, if you clean them on a weekly basis, you don't have to take them out. You can just clean them as they are. And then at the freezer, yeah, that one's just gonna have to take out all the trays again and wash them because all your frozen vegetables, you know, they might leave a stain. So for washing the trays, I normally use dishwashing liquid, but today I'm going to use my flush wipe down. It's really effective. It works just as well as my dishwashing liquid, but I'm going to be using it today.
Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas, we'll burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know deserves a little bit of love. Every face I've seen through the year. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides.
Let me know in the comment section below what you use to clean your fridge trays, and let me know what your favorite product to use and how do you defrost it, how do you clean it. So now that all my trays have been washed, the freezer ones, I'm now going to clear the sink and put them away onto the side. I find this to be a faster and effective way. Some people like to do it in a different way, but this is how I do it. And I lay down a towel and I put the trays onto it, so all the water just drips onto there and not on the sink or any other surfaces. If it's in the summer, I'll probably put them outside to quickly dry, but hey, it's winter, so this is what I'm going to do today.
Oh, Christmas, the word that's out on the street is that the season's complete when hearts are open. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, tenderness and smiles so sincere. Now's the time to reach out and to brighten someone's day. The magic of the holidays is here.
So now I'm going to use spray washing up liquid. It works really well. It becomes more foamy and richer, which I love about it, but use whatever works for you. So I'm just going to rinse everything and just basically put everything to the side so it dries on the towel that I put on the side earlier. everything dries together, so all the water is just stored in one area rather than spilling everywhere. I always like to clean the trays first and then I go back to the fridge. So I'm going to go back into the fridge now with my flash and we're going to clean that up now. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying all the Christmas content and if you are finding this video to be helpful and motivating you to clean your fridge. So I grabbed my microfiber cloth and just to wipe off all the excess product. So personally, I normally find if the glass trays are not dirty, and I've cleaned them previously, I don't take them out. But if they're dirty, I take them out and I wash them in the sink. So now I'm going to get my paper towel because everything's clean now and I'm going to wipe and dry them up.
It's what I'm starting to hear, the whispers.
I didn't have to take out the trays because it wasn't dirty.
Oh, Christmas will burn the coziest fire while wrapping.
If you did take out your glasses and wash them, you can put them back. I normally use a paper towel to dry them and put them back, so yeah. Okay, and that's the top of the fridge done. We're now going to focus on the bottom deep freezer. So we're going to focus on
There's a little bit of love, every face I've seen through the year. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise.
So now we're going to have to tackle the freezer part. Yeah, so get your blow dryer out and quickly blow dry all of this. And yep, so blow dry. Let's go. So that's our deep freezer done now. Look at that. Perfect, isn't it? That's why I absolutely love the hairdryer method. It makes things look a lot faster. So yeah, it's now time to put everything back.
Oh, Christmas, the word that's out on the street is that the season's complete when hearts are open. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, tenderness and smiles so sincere. Now's the time to reach out and to grab.
That's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it motivated you to clean your freezer and your fridge. I know Christmas is in like literally 4 days, so good luck, and I hope you have a lovely Christmas. If you don't watch my video, I think I'm probably going to upload one more, which is going to be on Christmas Eve. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next video. Bye.